I'm Supreetha. Welcome to my math class. So in the previous lectures on Laplace Transform, we studied the definition of Laplace Transform. We solved some problems on it. Yes, and then in the last class, what did we study? We studied the formulas of Laplace. Yes, these are some basic formulas of Laplace that you should know. Okay, we solved some direct problems on these formulas. Yes, now in this lecture, let us try solving a question that is cos hyperbolic square 40. Yes, if they had asked me to find Laplace of cos hyperbolic 40, I would have directly used this formula. Agree? Cos hyperbolic 80. In place of a, I have 4. Yes, but they've asked me cos hyperbolic square. Okay, so let me check. Yes, in the list of trigonometric formulas, let me check if I have any formula. Okay, as you can observe, for cos hyperbolic t, I have e power 80 plus e power minus 80 divided by 2. So let me substitute that formula. So this would be e power 80 plus e power minus 80 divided by 2. Okay, the whole square. Why? Because the question is cos hyperbolic square 40. What do I have in place of a? I have 4, right? So let me rewrite this as, I'll rewrite this as e to the power 40 plus e to the power minus 40 divided by 2, the whole square. Okay, I'll take this as f of t. Okay, the given question, as if I take it as f of t, this is what I would get. Yes, now you should know from your very basic math that if you have a by b whole power m, you can write it as a power m divided by b power m. You should know all these by now. Yes, so now I have e power 40 plus e power minus 40 the whole square divided by 2 square is 4. Can you observe in the numerator we have a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It is a square, that is e power 40 whole square plus 2 into e power 40 into e power minus 40 plus e to the power minus 40 the whole square, whole thing divided by 4. Okay, now what is e power 40 whole square? It is e power 80 plus 2, bases are same. Can you add the powers? Yes, so if I add, what will I get? E power 40 minus 40. Yes, what is e power 40 minus 40? It would be e power 0. What is e power 0? Anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, divided by 4. Yes, now what do I have? E power 80 plus 2 plus e to the power minus 80 divided by 4. Okay, now don't get confused. We just simplified the given question. Okay, we simplified the given question. This is still f of t. Okay, this is not the Laplace. Yes, always in Laplace transformation, the question will be in the form of f of t. And after finding the Laplace, it would change to f of s, that is the function of s. Yes, if you see the formula list, you can observe on the left hand side you have everything in terms of t, and on the right hand side you have everything in terms of s. Okay, so you're basically converting a real valued function or a real value t to some complex value, that is s. Okay, so yes, let us continue this problem. Now let me apply Laplace to f of t. Okay, what would Laplace of f of t be? Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 by 4 is a constant. So let me take that out. Okay. I can give Laplace to each term, right? So that would be e power 8t plus Laplace of 2 plus Laplace of e power minus 8t. Yes? Now what is e power 8t formula? It is 1 divided by s minus, in place of a I have 8. What is Laplace of a constant? It is 2 divided by s plus, what is Laplace of e power minus 8t? It is 1 divided by s minus of minus 8, so that would be s plus 8. Yes? So this is your answer. Yes, so the second question is, find Laplace transform of sine 5t into cos 2t. Okay. Now, how do you find the Laplace of sine 5t? I know what is Laplace of sine 5t. I know what is Laplace of cos 2t. Okay, I know two different things. If I had a plus in the middle, I would have given Laplace to each term. But here I have product of these. Yes, let me get back to the trigonometric formulas that I had. Yes. Yeah. So observe, do you have a formula for sin A and cos B? Yes. This is sin A and cos B. What is the formula? It is half sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay. So let me write that down. So the formula of sin A cos B is equal to half into sin A plus B, yes, plus sin A minus B. What do I have in place of A? I have 5t. In place of B, what do I have? I have 2t. So my f of t would become half. Okay. What is sin A plus B? That would be sin 7t. What is sin A minus B? 5 minus 2 is 3t. Now can I apply Laplace? Yes, I have sin plus sin. I can apply Laplace to each term because they are separated with plus. Okay. Now, is there answer in terms of s? No, right? So we haven't applied Laplace yet. That is not the required solution. So that would be Laplace of sin 7t. Yes, plus Laplace of sin 3t. Okay, what is Laplace of sin 7t now? What is Laplace of sin 80 formula? It is a divided by s square plus a square. Okay, what do you have in place of a here? You have 7. Yes, 7 divided by s square plus 7 square. Okay, 7 divided by s square plus 7 square, that is 7 sevens are 49. Okay, plus 3 divided by s square plus 9. Okay, so this is our Laplace of the given question. Moving on, let me take another problem. Yes, that is cos t, cos 2t, and then cos 3t. Okay, so first what you do, I'll replace this. Yes, I'll write it as f of t is equal to cos 3t, cos 2t, and cos t. Why? I'll tell you why. Now, I have three functions. What do? I know what is cos A, cos B, but I don't know what is cos A, cos B into cos C, right? So what I'll do, first I'll apply cos A, cos B formula to this. Yes, what is cos A into cos B? Cos A, cos B is equal to half cos A plus B, okay, plus sine plus cos A minus B. Okay, so this is the formula. What do I have in the place of A? I have 3t, right? So f of t is equal to half, okay, cos 3t plus 2t, that would be 5t, plus cos 3t minus 2t would be cos t. I replaced this question as cos 3t, cos 2t, cos t because I wanted the greater number sign to be a, so that when I subtract, I wouldn't get minus. Okay, so you should know that the value of cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. You should remember all these things. Even if you take the question as it is, if you get a negative sign, you should remember that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay, so now I've put the formula for cos ct and cos 2t. What is remaining? Cos t is remaining. Let me multiply the cos t to each term. What would I get? Half remains as it is. I would get cos 5t into cos t plus cos square ty, the function and the angle both are same. So I can write it as cos square t. Okay. Now again I have here, yes, as you can observe, here I have, what do I have? I have cos A, cos B formula. What do you do over here? Yes? Can you recall what we can do over there? What is the formula for cos 2 theta? One of the formulas of cos 2 theta, I wrote it as 2 cos square theta minus 1. What will we get if we simplify for cos square theta? I would get cos square theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2. So here we have, instead of theta, we have t. Yes, so what would I get? I would get half into half, yes, cos A plus B, that is 6t, okay, plus cos 5 minus 1, that is 4t, plus cos 2t plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so for the first term, I applied cos A, cos B formula, and for the second term, I have applied cos square theta formula, which I have mentioned here. Okay, now can I take half common? I have half even in the first term and in the second term. So what I'll do, I'll take half common. I would get 1 by 4 into cos 6t plus cos 4t plus cos 2t plus 1. Now what do we have? This is our f of t. In the given question, we had 3 trigonometric functions. They were in product. Yes, now we converted this product terms to the sum of 3 terms. When we have sum of 3 terms or 4 terms, we can apply Laplace easily. We know the direct formulas. We have direct formulas for all these. What is Laplace of f of t now? This is equal to 1 by 4 is a constant. Yes. What is Laplace of cos 60? What is Laplace of cos 80 formula? That is s divided by s square plus a square. Okay. Here what do we have in place of a? I have 6. So I'll write it as s divided by s square plus 6 square, that is 36, plus s divided by s square plus 4 square, that is 16, plus s divided by s square plus 2 square, that is 4, plus what is Laplace of 1? Laplace of 1 is 1 divided by s. Okay. So yes, that is the required Laplace transform. So what did we study in this lecture? We studied how to convert product of trigonometric function. Yes, that is sin 5t and cos 2t, and we solved cos t, cos 2t and cos 3t. These two problems, we converted the product of trigonometric function to their sum. Yeah, they were in the form of sum. And then we applied Laplace transform because we know the formulas of these. We have some direct formulas. And we don't know what is the Laplace of cos square 4t. So we applied cos hyperbolic as e power at plus e power minus at by 2. And then we applied a plus b whole square. And then we applied Laplace. Okay. So yes, that is it for today's class. Thank you.